Hey everybody, my name is Lane. I chose to do my project on fairy ring of turf grass. I chose that because during the summer I work on a golf course and it's actually something that's very common there, especially on the putting greens. So I thought it'd be interesting to learn a little bit more about. For my project, I painted a picture, which is actually the three different types of the fairy ring of turf grass. Is type 1, type 2, type 3. So type 1 and type 2 are pretty similar in the sense that they both come during long, hot periods, like without very much rain and just dry. Type 1 causes the infected area to become hydrophobic. So that area will not take in the water, it will repel it, and therefore that grass cannot grow, so it will become brown and die. Type 2 is almost like the opposite. The grass around it will grow much thicker and greener, or the grass that is infected will grow much thicker and greener than all the grass in between it, causing the art to look like this. As you can see, it's just like thicker and greener. And then the third type actually is different from these two in the sense that this will come during long periods of excessive rain and like cooler temperatures. That makes any sense. Not necessarily like freezing, but definitely cooler than type 1 and type 2, which come during like the hot, humid months of the summer. And this is the one that I've actually seen a lot at the golf course on the putting green, just because it's the hardest one to really control. With this one, you can really kind of prevent by preventing rotting wood and stuff from just sitting around. That's what a lot of this comes from. It's a fungi. So things that rot like wood and stuff like that, if it's just sitting around, that can spread and impact other areas. So that's really about it for the fairy ring of turf grass. As you can see, I painted it. It was just had to paint how they looked, and that's really about it for my project.